I'm Ayan Omar Siddiqui. My student ID is S224777251, and this is the task D1 for Sit112. So here we were given a T1 file, collect file, and the credentials file. So in order to do the task of D1, we had to execute the collect file, and it basically asked us to first create our own API key from the credentials from the Google cloud.console. Whereas I created my own API YouTube key. So I did that, and I basically pasted it on my credentials.ini file, and I renamed my credentials file from sample to the present over here right now. So in order for the code to work, so basically what I did was I firstly extracted the data for like the YouTube links from the definition function of getChannelInfo, where I obtained the video ID by executing one by one the YouTube link over here. Yeah, so I did that, and it basically gave me the video ID, which I executed in my collect file one by one. So I did the Fox News, BBC News, and CNN, and lastly the MSNBC. That's why it's showcasing the last one right now. So I created the channel data file just for that particularly, and the collect file just for to run the D1 file after it. So what we did was we copied this settings cell from the Visual Studio Code one to this notebook, and we copied all of the functions for getting the channel info, the videos, the channel videos, which will be transferred to videos.csv, and the other function which will be transferring all the comments to comments.csv, and lastly the data cleaning part, which will be useful for us, which will be removing all of the duplicate files and kind of like organizing all of the stuff for us. And lastly, we have like the cell where we call everything, call every function. So I executed everything. So firstly, I had to install the Google API Python client, which I did. Then I copied all of the libraries from the Visual Studio Code to Jupyter Notebook collect, where we did that, and then we kind of just ran every cell. And lastly, it just collected all of the videos from the 4 news channel which I specified in my settings function above, and it was collecting videos in my videos.csv file, and it was collecting all of the comments for like different videos which I gave as the sample YouTube video in the above settings function. So it did that, and it basically collected and transferred everything to comment.csv, and the data cleaning was completed as well as the last function was that. And I also gave it the keywords coronavirus, COVID-19 pandemic. I chose my topic as COVID-19, so that's why I chose to give the keywords as these, and it will be like finding like different YouTube videos related to these keywords from those news channels which I have provided. So yeah, that's basically the work of the collect file, and the channel data I specified earlier, which was to get the basically the video ID to run for the collect folder file. So I did that and came to my D1 file in Jupyter Notebook. So here we were asked to do different tasks related to the comments.csv, which was created from the collect file by executing the collect file, and the videos.csv. So I did this by firstly it's asked us to import the following libraries. I imported the following libraries after I installed the Python client, and then it asked us to basically analyze videos and comments. It gave us code. I did that. It kind of just sorted things out for us in the two different CSV files, comments.csv and videos.csv. Here, then we were asked to do three different questions, tasks. So in analyze the videos and comments, we were supposed to do one task. I did the in analyze the video and comments, we're supposed to do two of the tasks. I did the E1.2. So it asked us to ask as to what was the total number of likes, comments, and videos from different publisher. We used to use a visualization for the three parts, like total number of views, total number of likes, total number of comments, and we were asked to use create like three different subplots for this. So I gave a code to do this, where it was specified the view count, like count, comment count, and channel title. It was using plots. Subplots were three different types. Where we were asked to do the first total views by channel, total likes by channel, and total comments by channel. Here we can see I created different subplots, three different subplots, and I basically asked us to show. And we have three different subplots of three different colors: views by channel, likes by channel, comments by channel, total views, all four news channels, and total comments, total likes. Here we observed that CNN was clearly dominating, and we are also sorry about that. We also observed that Fox News and BBC were kind of similar, doing on like the engagement, and MSNBC wasn't doing as well as the other three. So we observed this, and yeah, that was the first question for the first part. Moving on to the second one, I did the E1.7, where we were supposed to find out if there was any relation between the average length of comment and its like count. So here, basically, we had to find out the average comment length and like count relationship. So here I have the comment length, comment text, average comment length, where I found out the video ID, comment length, and basically also found out the like count. I kind of merged it, and I've created like a scatter plot out of it. So here we can see, here we are at the like count, and we have the average comment length, and we can see like there was major scatter plots on between like 10,000 and 250. So that was the E1.7. High reply counts are not labeled to official counts. Some of the top comments by comment count are user counts. Yeah, user accounts. There weren't only more like news created accounts. There were just user created accounts, and it was like more related to the second observation would be it was more related to societal issues like political leadership, real world issues like COVID-19, and it was just more of a societal issues. Observation 3, there were misinformation as well spread in this. Yeah, so that was that. Here we will be moving on to our second part of the analyzing the videos and comments. Here we have the what are the top 10 comments with most replies. For each comment, display the channel title, comment text, and total number of replies. Here we have the three observations here as well. So we basically had to find out the top 10 comments and their replies as well. So we have all these. We did that by accessing the comments.csv, and we have like the root comments, replies, and top 10 comments. We created variables for that, and we kind of just input and I gave name for common underscore to author, text, and reply account, and print it. So there we have like all these users. These aren't like news created users; they're like personalized like users. So they commented on like the videos, and the reply count was 20, the highest, 7 was the lowest, and we basically what we saw was that it was uh, there was like misinformation as well spreading this as lies. So it's more like important to see like verify all of these stuffs, and yeah, that was the task D1 of SIT112, where we had to analyze the videos and comments of the given data by the YouTube links where we got it from our YouTube API key. So, yeah, thank you.